In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PowerPoint recording in just about 5 minutes. Now let's dive right in. And often you'll find yourself in a situation where you've put together a fantastic PowerPoint presentation, complete with all the bells and whistles, animations, narrations, and perhaps even some video clips. Then comes the point where you want to share this masterpiece far and wide. But the thought of explaining how to play the animations and narrations correctly to every viewer is daunting, to say the least. Fear not, for there's a simple solution to this: exporting your PowerPoint presentation as a video. First things first, you'll need to have your PowerPoint presentation ready and open. Whether you're working on the latest PowerPoint version or using one that's a bit older, the process I'll walk you through should hold fine, with maybe some minor variations in the interface. Let's start by opening your MS PowerPoint software. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's the ground base of everything we're going to do today. Once you have the program open, you'll be greeted with the opening screen. This screen might show you recent documents or templates to start a new presentation. Here you need to navigate and open your file. Look for the presentation you've toiled over and give it a click to open. After your file loads up and you can see all your hard work laid out in front of you, it's time to move to the next crucial step. Go to the File menu. This is generally located at the top left corner of your window, but can vary slightly depending on your version of Microsoft Office. The File menu is like the command center for all things related to your PowerPoint file, from saving and opening files to more complex operations like what we're about to do. From the File menu, you're going to look for the Export option. Why not just save as, you might wonder? Well, Export offers specific functionalities designed for converting your presentation into different formats, including video, which is exactly what we're aiming for. Clicking on Export opens up a new realm of possibilities for your presentation. Among these, you want to find and click on Create a Video. This option is a gem for anyone looking to make their presentations more accessible and versatile. Creating a video from your PowerPoint allows you to share your presentation on platforms that might not necessarily support PowerPoint, or with users who may not have PowerPoint installed on their devices. It's also perfect for uploading to video sharing sites or embedding in websites. Clicking on Create a Video will lead you to a set of options regarding video quality, narrations, and timings. Video quality options range from Full HD to Standard, affecting both the clarity of your video and the file size. Select the option that best suits your needs, keeping in mind where you intend to share the video. If it's for professional use or high quality screens, go with the highest quality. If it's for casual viewing, standard quality might suffice. The next set of options deals with whether to use recorded timings and narrations. If you have recorded timings for your slides or narrations, you can choose to include these in your video. It's an excellent way to ensure your video presentation delivers the message just as you would in person. If not, you can opt for the default timings, or even manually set the time each slide should be displayed in the video. Once you've made your selections, PowerPoint will prompt you to save your newly created video. Choose a file location that's easy for you to remember and give your video a descriptive name. After hitting save, PowerPoint will begin the process of exporting your presentation as a video. This might take a few moments depending on the length and content of your presentation, as well as your computer's performance, and that, dear viewers, is essentially it. You've turned your PowerPoint presentation into a versatile video that you can easily share across a myriad of platforms, ensuring your audience, regardless of where they are or what device they're using, can experience your presentation exactly as you intended. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with the various settings to find what works best for your specific needs. Additionally, keep your PowerPoint and video files organized so you can always go back and make changes if necessary. Thank you for joining me today to learn about exporting a PowerPoint recording. Whether it's for educational purposes, business presentations, or just sharing knowledge, the ability to turn your PowerPoint into a video can significantly enhance how you share information.